guys, welcome back. Cricket here with another Plan With Me. This one is in my PPWeeks using this beautiful kit from Pink Polka Dot Lily. Look at the gorgeousness of this kit. Oh my God. And I did use the shattered glass date dots as well. This is done in the shattered glass, but look at the fish. Oh my gosh, look at that. So beautiful. I'm so excited to use this kit. But there are your full boxes and your sidebar and your bow checklist, your date covers, your washi strips, cleaning dinners next week, this week, habit trackers, quarter boxes and scallop boxes, and then of course your bottom washi, which let's go ahead and get started because look, it is absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Look how beautiful that washi is. So gorgeous. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Thank you for those of you that are coming back to watch me, and thank you for those who are joining me for the first time. This is in my wellness planner. This is just a really quick pre-plan, pretty much just decorating it, getting it ready to fill it out. This is, like I said, my wellness planner. I keep track of weight. Oh, and I'm using this washi from So Cute Planner as well. And I do have codes for both of these. I keep track of my weight, my food intake, because I do Weight Watchers, my Weight Watcher points, stuff like that. So that's what I keep track of in here. And I love it because it's little. I can keep it in my pocketbook. And I enjoy being able to write in something that is beautiful. And so when I decorate a spread using something beautiful, it makes me want to write in it and keep track. So that's pretty much why I do that. I know, like with me being on Weight Watchers, I can keep track with it on my phone, and sometimes I do, but normally, even though I keep track with it on my phone, I still do it in here as well, because I like to be able to have something to refer back to. Emotions, what I did that day, what caused me not to lose weight, what caused me to lose weight, just different things like that. And if you have something to refer back to, it's so much nicer. Like, I mean, I know I gained 30 pounds while I was out for COVID, you know, so I'll be able to refer back to that from a year or two from now. I'm like, what the heck happened? And then, oh, duh, COVID happened. And, you know, I kept track of how I felt each day. You know, I was nervous, I was upset, I was depressed. It was a scary time for me. So yes, I did gain a lot of weight, and now I'm trying to lose it back. It has not been easy, and my mom always told me, I've always had a weight problem, but my mom always told me that, you know, the older you get, the harder it is to lose weight. Well, she was right. So, unfortunately, not good for me, but it, you know, it is right. So, I'm gonna put down this week header right here for this one, and then let's go ahead and put down this habit tracker, and I will fill that in here in just a second. Let's use this and a piece of this gorgeous washi right here, and then I'm going to put right here. Perfect for that. And that will be for my Weight Watcher points. I'm going to go ahead and put that down. This is Cheerful Planner Girls scripts right there. Sorry if I didn't have you in frame, y'all. I apologize. And then I have these medicines right here. And I think I'm going to use, I mean, I could, I'm just going to use the gray right here. Let's actually put another piece of washi down because it is beautiful. And then I'll put this over top of it just a little bit. Right there, and that is to keep track of my medicine. So that worked out great. Okay, for this right here, that is for, I'm going to use these eyelashes right here from one of my samplers from DEK Designs. So I'll use those eyelashes right there. Okay, so I'm going to use a mixture of, I love these, everybody knows that I do. These are her foiled samplers. You get so much. I already used the Weekend Banner. That's okay because I have another one I'm going to show you here in a minute. But she gives you so much, and it's almost like a full kit, if you, especially if you don't like full boxes or whatever, if you're a white spacer. But I use these to fill in things that I need done, like these extra little bow checks. I use those all the time. I actually might use all of those instead of these this time. I think I'm going to keep these for another kit. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So yeah, these are perfect amounts. So I'm going to go ahead and put these down right there. Let's use my tweezers. That's what they're for, right? So y'all definitely, and then like I've said before, she has 35 different colors of foil that you can choose from. She makes them up as you order them. So, you know, if you find a kit like this and say, oh, I really don't care for the shattered glass, I want rose gold, you choose rose gold. It is yours, whatever you choose. And then these foil samplers are the same. So I tend to get the foil samplers, and I get the colors that I use the most in most of my kits. Everybody knows I am a shattered glass girl. I absolutely adore her shattered glass. It is pure perfection. Look at that. Love it. I'm just enthralled with it. I just love, love, love it. So I tend to get the shattered glass quite a bit. Okay, got those down. And what those are for is like my breakfast, lunch, and dinners. I can either put my total Weight Watcher points right here is what I normally do, and then I'll put my breakfast, lunch, and dinners right here. So that always tends to work out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, let's see. Cannot remember how I like to do these, but we're gonna get this. So let's see. This gorgeous fish right here. I'm gonna put it right there. Beautiful. And then I think what I'm going to do is put this pink one there and then this pink one here for the weekend. Put it right up underneath. So let's pull it in. As you just saw, I can pull them right back up. If you have a problem pulling them up, always put them on your hand first, and then, because I know like this paper right here is a little bit more temperamental, so you know, just if you want to be careful with that. Let's put this one, let's see, let's put this one down here. Perfect. And then let's put this one up here. Okay, that worked out great. Okay. And then let's see what I have here. Let's put this down right here, and then I have this was a freebie from the last sale that she was in, and it's hard to see it right here, but once I pull it up, It is the beautiful weekend banner, and it's the blue with the, so I thought that would be perfect for right here. So I'm going to put that down right here. Gorgeousness right there. And she does have other things on here, but not really necessarily what I use. I could use the fork and the knife right here for up in here to show. But other than that, that's it for this right here. I order my groceries. Well, I get them right here, and then I pick them up right here. I'm gonna put those two right here. And these again are from Pink Polka Dot Lily. I am going to put, actually, yeah, I can put this one right here. And then this one right here. I think I'm going to put this one right here. So pretty. That one right there. Put washi in between. Let's get this one right there. And then let's put one of these right here. And this is just for me to fill in like moods, how I'm feeling that day, what's going on that week, just different things like that. So that's what I use for that. Let's put this piece of washi right here. Right there. I love using the washi up. It's absolutely beautiful. Definitely do not want to not use this. There, and let's put this piece right here. Okay, so that's just like a really quick one. And all I'm doing seriously is just getting it ready for this week, and then I'll show you at the end of the week what it looks like. But look how gorgeous this thing is. It is absolutely stunning, stunning. Don't forget Cricut 20 for 20% off. You do get a freebie, but look, I use half of my freebie all the time, or almost all of my freebie all the time. So this was an old freebie that I can actually use the coffee cup for Coffee Monday. So I hope that y'all have an awesome, blessed week. Please stay safe. Please stay strong and healthy. Love one another, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell. And I hope to see you back here real soon. I will talk with you later. Bye.